a 64 Ford Falcon Futura with a 427 race motor from Ford. It's aluminum block. I used to get confused. You don't ever see the 427 on the street back in the day. You see the 428 Culbertret. It's totally different. This is the race motor. It's aluminum. So this car must fly with this motor in it. Willwood brakes. There's no weight in these cars, man. And you got your full race seats, the harness. It's got 5-speed on the floor. It's cool with the red. The red and the gray. Look how you did that stripe, man. Instead of just filling in one color, it's like, hey. And the bumpers are blacked out, the Falcon letters are blacked out. Really nice touches on this car, the way it's done, man. Really, really nice. It's got a nice stance on it. See the exhaust coming out before the wheels. Oh, you know what? Looks like you got, that might be a dump, like you can run open headers. The one's going through the mufflers back here, that's probably open headers there, with a valve or something. Yeah, that's got to be what it is. You got a temperature gauge up there too, man. MHD ignition. You got the hood pins. See? Stand back a little bit. It's kind of crowded here. You can't dig it. Looks bitchin', huh?